Yeah, Foxhill's is obviously a historic track.
The track's in great condition, so I'm just looking to go out as usual and take 3 good starts and hopefully 3 wins.
I'd like a podium today with a couple of firsts. Would be nice to finish the overall off on the championship.
So far it's good, but we got 3 motos to go. We need to finish that steady, calm, and then the championship will be good.
He's a way ahead of me, but it's motocross, anything can happen.
I just need to get out that gate and try and be in front of Graham.
I gave it everything today and come away with a win, so I'm really, really happy.
We're here, still on top of the podium, and one of my favourite tracks, Foxhills, and it's been a good day, can't complain.
Third overall this weekend, and I won the big championship. I'm so happy about this, and big thank you to Will Wilford and KTM. You know, they're helping out me this year so much.